आप सभी का स्वागत है इकोनॉमिक बाय अभिषेक मौर्य के एक नए यूट्यूब चैनल में। जिसके पहले हमने इसके पहले हमने इसके पहले हमने जो वीडियो अपलोड किया है इको 301 का, अगर आपने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखा है आप उसे ज़रूर देखें। और आज हम चलते हैं इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमी का 305 को डिस्कस करने। और ये वीडियो किन के लिए बेनिफिट है, ये जो डीडी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हैं उनके लिए ये वीडियो फिट है। और जो डीडी का सिलेबस है आप उसके बिहाफ पे जो आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में सिलेबस वो अप्लीकेबल है तो भी आप इसको देख सकते हैं। सबसे पहले अपने हम चलते हैं क्रूजमैन मॉडल पे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, क्रूजमैन न्यू ट्रेड थ्योरी प्राइमरली एक्सप्लेन। ये जो क्रूजमैन का जो न्यू ट्रेड थ्योरी ये क्या एक्सप्लेन करती है, तो ये करता है इंट्रा इंडस्ट्री ट्रेड करता है, जो कि हमारा ऑप्शन बी सही है। अभी आपके लिए हम बस यहाँ पे एमसीक्यू से चला रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा पेपर 16 से स्टार्ट है, तो हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आपको हम पूरा सिलेबस कवर अप करा सके डिटेल में। नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हम आपको यहाँ पे डिटेल में लेक्चर प्रोवाइड कराएंगे। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे। क्रूजमैन मॉडल इज बेस्ड ऑन विच मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर। जो क्रूजमैन का मॉडल है ये किस स्ट्रक्चर पे बेस्ड है, तो ये हमारा है मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन पर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, विच फैक्टर इज सेंट्रल इन क्रूजमैन मॉडल। कौन सा फैक्टर जो क्रूजमैन मॉडल के सेंट्रल में है, इनकी रिटर्न टू स्केल है। ऑप्शन नंबर बी, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्रूजमैन ट्रेड अकर्स इवन बिटवीन कंट्री विथ सिमिलर इंडोमेंट। कह रहा है कि जो क्रूजमैन मॉडल है 4 का, इसका कौन सा है, कंट्री विथ सिमिलर इंडोमेंट। विच कंसेप्ट एक्सप्लेन कंज्यूमर प्रेफरेंस फॉर मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट टाइप्स। ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लव ऑफ वैरायटी। अंडर क्रूजमैन मॉडल प्रोडक्ट आर। क्रूजमैन मॉडल के अंदर प्रोडक्ट कैसा होता है, हमारा प्रोडक्ट होता है डिफरेंटिएटेड होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ट्रेड अंडर दिस मॉडल रिजल्ट मेनली फॉर्म्स। ये हमारा फॉर्म करता है इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ स्केल करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर हमारा 8 है, जो क्रूजमैन मॉडल बिलोंग टू विच टाइप ऑफ ट्रेड थ्योरी। ये किससे बिलोंग करता है, ये करता है न्यू ट्रेड थ्योरी से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, इंट्रा इंडस्ट्री ट्रेड यूजुअली इन्वॉल्व्स इन सिमिलर वैरायटी ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड गुड्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का ऑप्शन नंबर सी सही हमारा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, इंटायर एंट्री ऑफ फर्म्स इन क्रूजमैन मॉडल लेड्स टू हायर प्रोडक्टिव वैरायटी। Question number 10, Krugman model assume firms faces increasing return to scale, trade increases welfare because of more variety plus lower cost. Option number C. चलते हैं, Krugman model is based on which preference assumptions. Option number B, love of variety, increasing in market sizes causes lower average cost. In Krugman model, long run equilibrium price equals average cost. Krugman model ignores comparative advantage. ऑप्शन नंबर सी। और ये क्या इग्नोर करता नहीं है, comparative एडवांटेज। और ये किसको फॉलो करता है, इकोनॉमिक ऑफ स्केल को, प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन को, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन को। क्वेश्चन नंबर हमारा 17, ट्रेड अकर इवन इफ कंट्री आर identical. Krugman theory explains IIT in manufactured goods under AUTARchy. अंडर टार्की में क्या होता है, सिमिलर मार्केट होता है। When country integrate their markets, economic of scale expand. अब हमारा चलते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट पे, जो कि हमारा हेक्सियर-ओलिन थ्योरम पर है। हेक्सियर थ्योरम पे देखिए क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या है। The Hexier-Ohlin theory is also known as factor endowment theory. According to the HO model, a country will export goods that use its abundant factor intensely. The HO theory was developed by Hexier and Ohlin. The main basic of trade in HO theory is option number D, difference in factor endowments. In the HO model, a capital abundant country will export capital intensive goods. The HO theory assumes factors of production are immovable internationally, which assumption is not part of HO model. हमारा इसका आंसर होगा सी, फ्री इंटरनेशनल मोबिलिटी ऑफ लेबर। The HO theory leads to which Important result: Stokes-Samuelson theorem. In HO theory, trade equalizes factor prices. Which of these is a major criticism of the HO theory? Paradox contradiction it EL-EONTI-F paradox contradiction. ऑप्शन नंबर हमारा चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पे जो क्वेश्चन है EL-EONTI-F पैराडॉक्स जो है द लियोनार्ड पैराडॉक्स इज एसोसिएटेड विथ विच इकोनॉमिस्ट ये किससे है ये हमारा है वेसल लियोनार्टिव द लियोनार्टिव पैराडॉक्स चैलेंज विच ट्रेड थ्योरी हेक्सियर ओलिन थ्योरी द लियोनार्टिव पैराडॉक्स स्टडीड trade pattern of which country United States according to the HO theory US should export goods because it was capital abundant. Option C capital intensive. Leonardi found that US exports were actually labor intensive. The method used by Leonardi was input-output analysis. The paradox implies factor endowment theory may not hold in reality. One major explanation of the paradox is US labor is highly skilled. Leonardi used which year's US trade data? Options in 1947. Which of the following not explanation of the paradox? Gold standard policy. अब चलते हैं पोस्ट हेक्सियोलिन थ्योरीज पे जो हमारा इस प्रकार है हु प्रपोज द टेक्नोलॉजी गैप थ्योरी ऑफ ट्रेड पोजनर द प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल थ्योरी वाज डेवलप्ड बाय रेमंड RAYMOND Vernon according to the VERNON trade pattern depend on stages of production development technology gap theory suggests that trade occurs because countries differ in technological innovation. New trade theory emphasizes economic of scale and imperfect competition. Intra-industry trade is best example explained by new trade theory. Linder hypothesis explains trade based on demand similarity. According to the product cycle theory, standardized products are produced in developing countries. Technology gap theory emphasizes time lag in limitations of technology. Option number C. 20. Economic of scale encourage which type of trade? Option C. Intra-industry trade. Technology gap theory product cycle. Technology gap theory was proposed by Michael Posner. According to the technological gap theory, trade occurs due to innovation and time lag in imitation. A country innovates a product and exports it during which stages? Option number C. Innovation stages. Product life cycle theory was developed by Raymond Vernon. According to the product life cycle theory, standardized production are produced in developing country. Question number 7. According to the Posner, export depends on technological gap. Which concept explains that demand in rich countries first creates innovation? Option number C. Product cycle theory. Vernon model best example explain trade in manufactured and high-tech goods. Limitations lag leads to temporary monopoly in export market. Krugman new trade theory. New trade theory was developed primarily by Paul Krugman. Krugman model emphasizes economic of scale. New trade theory explained intra-industry trade among a similar country. Economic of scale means question number 14. Average cost decreases as output increases. Question number 15. Krugman model allow trade between countries with zero differentiation in resources. Product differentiation in Krugman theory leads to variety of goods for consumer. New trade theory supports strategic trade policy. Intra-industry trade explains exchange of cars, cars for cars, similar goods. A key feature of Krugman model is imperfect competition. New trade theories show that trade occurs mainly due to economic of scale and product differentiation. Effect of growth on trade. The effect of economic growth in a country production possibility curve. It shifts outward. Production effects of growth refers to change in relative output of goods after growth. If growth increases the production exportable goods more than the importable goods, it is export bias growth. Question number 4. Import bias growth means C. Growth favors production of importable goods. Question number 5. Consumption effects of growth refers to option number D. Change in domestic consumption of pattern due to high income. If consumption shifts more toward importable goods, the country and imports will be option number B increases. Export pessimism. Question number 7. Export pessimism is associated with which economist? Raul Penavix. Export pessimism is the belief that primary export will face declining demand and prices. The main reason for the export pessimism is low income elasticity of demand for primary goods. Option number B. Question number 9 का export pessimism support which policy? Import substitution industrialization. Question number 11. The PREBS Singer's thesis predicts longer term decline in terms of trade for developing countries. According to export pessimism, developing countries should diversify into manufacturing, emerging growth. The concept of emerging growth was given by option C. Jagdish Bhagwati. Emerging growth means growth reduces national welfare. Emerging growth occurs when growth worsens the country terms of trade. Emerging growth is most likely in small development country. Depend on primary export for emerging growth to occur when which condition is required. Option number B. Large deterioration in terms of trade. Emerging growth is a result of excess export bias leading to price declining. A country suffering emerging growth should diversify exports and reduce reliance on one commodity. Which of the following is not a cause of emerging growth? High domestic demand for import. Meaning of gain trade. Gain from trade refers to benefit a country obtained from international trade. According to classical economists, gain from trade arises due to comparative advantage. The gain from trade can be measured by B. Increases in consumption possibility. Gain from trade implies that country can consume beyond their production frontier. Gain from trade exists when countries specialize according to the comparative advantage. Type of gain from trade. Static gain from trade relates to immediate benefit from specialization and exchange. Dynamic gain from trade includes long-term improvement like productivity, technology, and growth. Static gains are also called allocative gains. Dynamic gain includes all aspects. Decreases in labor productivity. Which of the following is distributional gain from trade? Option number B. Change in income distribution among factors of production. Welfare gain from trade refers to option number C. Higher satisfaction and standard of living. Comparative advantage generates which type of gain? Static gain. Factor determining gain from trade. A major factor determining gain from trade is extent of specialization. Gain more than a country gain from a country gain more than a country gain more from trade when it has greater differences in comparative costs. Terms of trade influences gain because Better terms of trade improve real purchasing power. Size of country determine gain because option B. Large country can influence the world. Option number 17. Elasticity of demand for export affect gain from trade because high elasticity increases export earning. Gain from trade is increased when transport costs are low. Greater diversification of export leads to higher and more stable gain from trade. A country will gain more from trade when it it exports goods with high income elasticity of demand. Effect of growth international trade. Economic growth affect international trade mainly through A. Production and consumption effects. Which when growth increases, country is capacity to produce export more than import goods is called export bias growth. Import bias growth leads to decreasing and import demand. Neutral growth implies PPF shift equal for both goods. Production effects of growth refers to change in production pattern of export and import. Question number 6. Consumption effects of growth refers to change in option B. Domestic preference and demand. If consumer preferences shift to move more toward import goods after growth, import demand increases. Export bias growth generally causes ये हमारा होगा कौन सा ऑप्शन नंबर डी टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेड टू डिटोरेट. Import bias growth generally causes improvement in terms of trade. Pro-trade growth means trade increases. Anti-trade growth means trade decreases. Export pessimism is common in country export primary commodity. Export pessimism arises due to declining world prices for goods exports. Emerging emerging growth occurs when growth reduces welfare. Question number 15. Who first gave the concept of emerging growth? Jagadish Bhagwati. Emerging growth requires which condition to hold? C. Severe deterioration in terms of trade. Question number 70. Fast emerging growth to occur, world demand of a country export must be inelastic. Export bias growth leads to fall in export prices. Question number 90. When production effects expand export sector, the result is worsening of TOT. Consumption effects that increase import demand leads to a worsen of TOT. Export pessimism implies B. Export-led growth may not succeed. Anti-growth bias occurs when trade reduces due to growth. Emerging growth is mostly likely in countries that are primarily commodity export. Question number 24. What happens if deterioration in terms of trade is greater than productivity gain? Welfare decreases. Growth causes decline in world export prices due to B. increase in export. तो ये हमारा जो इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक इको 305 का यूनिट सेकेंड है, ये हमारा पूरा एक कंप्लीट MCQ हमने आपको करवा दिया. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक के. तब तक बने रहिए अभिषेक मौर्य के साथ, इकोनॉमिक बाय अभिषेक मौर्य के चैनल पे. और अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी हो तो हमारे आप टेलीग्राम चैनल से जुड़ सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हमसे अपनी क्वेरी आप पूछ सकते हैं. और कैसा वीडियो लगा आप हमें ज़रूर बताएं. आपका फीडबैक हमारे लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए राधे राधे.